Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make our stir-fried hot dog recipe. These are the ingredients. Here we're going to use 4 king-size hot dog. You can use 7 if it's the regular size. You have onion, you have ketchup. I choose the banana ketchup, salt. We also have brown sugar and black pepper. Here's the full list of the ingredients and its measurements. First, we have to slice our onions and also our hot dogs. From here, we just heat our frying pan and add oil once it's heated. Sauté onions until it turns brownish or translucent in color. Once that the onions are good, let's separate it for now. Right now we're going to fry our hot dogs. Well, the reason why we separated our onions is that so that we don't overcook them later on. We'll be using it back again. Alright, so now that our hot dog looks cooked, we're going to add some ketchup. From the same bowl, I just put some water there and pour it in. Make sure to sear the hot dog so that it won't stick to the pan. Now everything looks all set, we'll just add the brown sugar. We'll stir things up again then. Add a pinch of salt to taste and pepper also. Now as you can see, it all looks gooey because of the brown sugar and the ketchup that was added to it. Everything looks good, so we'll add the onions that we sauteed earlier. And as always, we'll stir everything up again. Alright, everything looks all dry now, so we're going to add another water. Stir everything again until we achieve the gooey texture that we had earlier. Now we're all done and it's ready to serve. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.